with more unboxing. But what's more exciting is because the unboxing is related to K-pop. Whoa, so I'm pretty sure you guys already seen that I unboxed this Lalisa air kit. But today we have another one to get unboxed. And let's go. Let's see what's inside. Alright, so the thing that we are going to unbox today is Lalisa Gold Album. Oh my god. I had to wait 4 months to get this because I picked the YG one, the YG Select. So that's why the lambat gila. But yeah, I finally got my hand on it. This is my first ever album. My first ever air kit. And yeah, actually Kak Ina got this for me. So thank you Kak Ina if you're watching this. Kak Ina belanja me. And yeah, we got it from the same shop, the Puteri shop. So let's just not waste any time and let's unbox it, okay? Okay. I don't want to ruin it, so let's unbox it. I'm so excited. Okay. Oh my god. Oh, I got 2 free gift. Okay. So I got these 2 pull out, which is Lalisa punya gambar. Lalisa and Lisa punya gambar. These 2. This Lisa photo card. That's so pretty. Yep. This is the back. And come on. Okay. So this is the shop yang we beli from. This Puteri shop. We ordered waktu dorang buka pre-order. And ada 2. Ada K-Town Select and also YG Select. So after difikir-fikirkan, I pilih YG Select. And Kak Ina got the exact same one. So I'm so nervous and excited. Okay. I tak nak rosakkan, but okay, let's do this. Alamak. Oh my god. Oh my. Alright. Whoa! It's kind of heavy. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm touching the album. Oh my god. Okay. So. Ta-da! Even the kotak pun lawa. Okay. The first thing we got is the masterpiece, Lisa, the Queen Lisa. And I think this is the photo book. Yep. So, this is the photo book. This is the back. Come on! Alright. So, let's see. Oh, it's so pretty! Okay. I don't know how to show it to you guys, but okay, I'm just gonna do it like that. Wow. Oh my god! She's so pretty. Oh my god, okay. I'm not gonna show one by one lah sebab banyak gila. But what I can say is, it's so pretty. Like, super pretty. Whoa. But just for me kan, macam photo book album, dia macam pelik sikit. Like, why must they put macam blank page, you know? But tak apalah. This is my first ever album and I still love it so much. Okay. Next one. The next thing we got is another photo card. I think this is a pull-up one. I got this photo. Got Lisa. And we have a Polaroid. Eesh, so cute. Yeah. Next we have, what is this? Is it a sticker or just normal photo? I don't know, but I got this photo. Just like the album cover. Lain pose sikit je, but same theme. And next we have the lyric card. We got Lalisa and we got money. Dropping on my money. Ooh. Oh my The poster, it's so pretty. The poster. Oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my. Okay. Okay. This is the poster. Alright, wait. Oh my god, look at that. It's so pretty. I tak pernah collect poster tau, but it's so pretty! Oh my goodness. Yep. So that is the poster that I got. And last but not least is the CD itself. I mean, I know nowadays dah tak ada orang pakai CD kan. Tapi macam for collection purposes, why not? Okay. Sekejap, I simpan balik. Yup, so unfortunately, I didn't get the gold ticket. But I know, memang susah gila nak dapat the golden ticket. Tapi I'm still so grateful that I got my hand on these two. Because I memang tak pernah ada any K-pop merch before. I tak pernah beli any album before because I know it's kind of pricey. But now that I'm really into K-pop, like not really into K-pop, but I really into Blackpink, I can say. So it's kind of worth it. Yep. So yeah. So yeah, that is the end of this video. I know it's just a short unboxing, but I hope you guys enjoy it because I'm super excited when I got this. I baru je ambil daripada Kak Ina and I terus masuk bilik and unbox it. So yeah, hope to see you guys again in another video. If you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, go click the subscribe button down below. Give this video a big thumbs up and also see you guys again and share this video to your friends, okay? Bye! Love you guys so much, Arribas.